The English and Foreign Language University, established in 1958 in Hyderabad, Telangana, has a rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. How does its BA Honours program fare? Let's dive into this comprehensive review. Starting right off with the BA Honours placements that have received a rating of 3.3 stars. EFLU has a dedicated placement cell that actively facilitates employment opportunities for final semester students across various programs. It offers lectures and workshops on job market preparation, including CV writing, interview skills, and discussion techniques. The university's focus on higher studies contributes to a lower placement rate of 8%. Prominent recruiters include Amazon, TCS, IBM, Oracle, and HP Global Business Services, offering roles such as teacher, translator, language specialist, and content writer. The median salary for the 3-year program graduates increased from 3 lakh per annum in 2019-2020 to 3.25 lakh per annum in 2021-22, a 8.33% rise. In comparison, the median salary at Maulana Azad National Urdu University, Hyderabad, established in 1998, is 2.4 lakh per annum. Moving on to program details, has a rating of 3.8 out of 5. With the 4-year BA Honours program at EFLU includes 13 specializations. To be eligible, candidates must pass the intermediate 10+2 exam with 50% marks for the general category, with English as one of the subjects. For the 4-year BA Honours program, the total fees is about 18,000. With this fee and the current median salary, students are getting favourable returns. Let's discuss the 3.8 rated infrastructure. EFLU's main campus in Hyderabad is one of its 3 campuses, including those in Lucknow and Shillong. It is a serene and green 32-acre campus. The library is a key feature supporting academics with its extensive book collection. The university provides comprehensive hostel facilities with 5 hostels for Indian and international students, offering furnished rooms, geysers, internet, disabled-friendly toilets, a gym, a recreation room, and a badminton court. The mess and the canteen offers a variety of dishes to meet student dietary needs, with monthly fees ranging from 2,000 to 2,500. Additionally, facilities include a guest house, a health center, and a counseling center for mental health and substance abuse support. Let's now take a look at the faculty and courses. EFLU's faculty is rated 4.4 and is highly praised for its qualifications, helpfulness, and knowledge. Professors provide a steady pace and individual attention, ensuring a thorough and supportive learning experience. Courses are carefully designed to support both language proficiency and corporate readiness. Each semester includes 3 internal exams. Moving on to campus life, rated 3.6 stars. The secure environment is enhanced by the Art and Cultural Center, which offers activities like inspirational lectures, yoga, acting, photography, painting, and handicrafts. Recently, the university hosted a 2-day Japanese Cultural Fest and a G20 Cultural Fest, highlighting its dedication to a vibrant campus life. Wrapping up the review with rankings, where EFLU was placed within the 151 to 200 rank band in the overall category of NIRF in 2021. However, it has remained unranked in the NIRF rankings from 2022 to 2024. For more details on EFLU Hyderabad and to explore thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.